So friends, here we are talking about top 15 Node.js application example. So let's start. 15 Node.js application examples. Best fit for enterprises. Node Node.js appearing as global development framework in terms of digital conversion along with large diversity of solutions. So in case when a better idea popped up in your mind and you are planning on which tech stack you vision get a realistic view, then definitely choosing Node.js would be a beneficial decision. As all renowned giant companies like Microsoft, IBM, PayPal have already embraced it in their production for a real-time explanation along with the scalable result. Top before moving toward to Node.js application example to big enterprise of 2020 presenting a short piece of information related to Node.js. Why organization use Node.js? Prior to the invention of Node.js, developers usually faced the issue of using different technologies for the client and server side scripting. Traditionally, JavaScript is the language for front-end designing with the HTML including a rich set of dynamic features. Although with the invention of Node.js, it introduced the server-side scripting that can communicate with a distributed server with ease of use. It can help to generate whole dynamic web solution before returning it to the browser. Absolutely, this is the major step of discovery in a web development. Let's take a deep dive about Node.js. Node.js was invented by Ryan Dahl in 2009. It is an open source server-side platform which is built on Chrome's JavaScript version 8 engine. Node.js is asynchronous in behavior that allow it to develop the lightweighted and efficient application. It is a perfect match for a data-driven intensive real-time solution which runs across the distributed devices using event-driven non-blocking input-output approach. Node.js development is high in demand due to become a used with technology for multiple companies worldwide. As the consumers demand is growing things in quickly manner, so it's essential to have a swift software development process that allow different businesses to share newbie consumer with the distinct user experience. Node.js owns a distinct representation of JavaScript everywhere paradigm, which allow Node.js developer to unify the web application development with a single programming language rather than using multiple languages for a server side and client side script. Node.js allows sharing a code between the browser and the backend. It comes in picture when you would like to maintain a tenacious connection from the web browser to the respective server along with code reusability concept with the exceptionally fantastic job. Moreover, Node.js comes with multiple API call in real time which is suitable for backend development that boost up the application execution along with single language for both the front-end and back-end development. Most of the top Node.js community is growing rapidly. In fact, the Node.js tech stack is free and widely available. Node.js privileged on most popular package library called NPM, Node Package Manager, is such an essential member of Node.js community. It contains tons of library which can be downloaded on the basis of particular requirements with no cost. Yes friends, with no cost. With its registry that is massive and getting bigger quickly. With the release of Node.js latest version 11.0, it introduces extraordinary features such as reduced interval time and addition of error code. Use of native node become stable, improvement in performance, better diagnosis and etc. that make a life of developers more enjoyable by deploying a great experience for their users. Benefit for relying on Node.js. More than 82% respondents indicated that they use a Node for their web work, and 43% of respondents indicate they using Node for enterprise solution. Users span more than 85%, 85 plus countries and speak more than 45 languages. User demographics. Node.js अगर we are searching Node.js globally, collectively Node.js users span 85 plus countries and speak more than 45 languages. Public are using Node.js. That's a great, friends. 47% English, 6% German, 6% Mandarin, 6% French, 6% Spanish, 3% Portuguese. Weekly download ratio almost 24,630. Most download version 6.1.1. Approved license ISC. Here is the list of best Node.js example website of 2020. For example, let's start. LinkedIn, Groupon, PayPal, Netflix, Walmart, Twitter, Uber, Medium, eBay, Trello, Yahoo, Mozilla, Homemade, GoDaddy, Airbnb. All these sites you have already heard about. These are the very famous sites on all over the world. LinkedIn. So let's start with LinkedIn in detail. LinkedIn with Node.js. Everyone knows LinkedIn serves as a business and employment oriented services that operate via website and mobile application, with a primary focus of professional networking, including employers posting a job and allow job seekers to post their CVs. LinkedIn, the number one for B2B marketing to distribute content at 94%. Number of active users 562 million out of 61 million LinkedIn users are senior level influencer, and 40 million are in the decision making position. Out of 71% of LinkedIn users are located outside of US. Out of 56% of users are men and 44 are women. Parent organization Microsoft Corporation. Previously, LinkedIn used ROR based app, which was synchronous in nature, due to which system was bursting as it seems. Have you ever guessed the reason behind choosing Node.js over other languages? Issues faced by LinkedIn. Rails use single-threaded approach which block the entire process. Rails is synchronous in nature, so user have to wait until one process complete. Lack of performance, efficiency concern. Convenience after evolution with Node.js. Improved performance with lower memory consumption, faster speed 20x compared to the previous scenario. Server need cut down to 3 from 30 along with resource utilization. Development team can set more focus on development than resolving issue. Website. You can check website www.linkedin.com. Second one is Groupon with Node.js. Groupon is an e-commerce marketplace which connects the subscriber with local merchants by offering activities, travel, services and goods across the 15 countries. Groupon seems like a place where each of the application development happens rapidly, but engineers were not able for the quick move, hence made a major architectural move over the past years to Node.js. Active users 49.3 million, among them 32.2 million and North America, 17.1 million international. Total number of download 183 million. Total number of market cover ratio 500. Number of active deals 37,000. Moreover, Groupon is the famous virtual marketplace for online deals and coupons and has successful operation across the world. Issue faced by Groupon with ROR. At the time when Groupon gets better expansion over phones or on web, they have to provide data in the effective way through, though they were suffering from speed issue. Example, if developer want to change the color of website with ROR, it maximum took 3 3 to 4 months, which is extremely time consuming. Website was not able to handle more traffic. Convenience after evolution with Node.js. Enhance the performance and speed. Handle numerous amount of traffic. Page landing speed become fast. A development team can easily make any changes with fewer number of dependencies. You can check website www.groupon.com. And third one is PayPal with Node.js. Everyone knows PayPal. PayPal is a payment gateway. PayPal is a platform that transforms the traditional paper method like check and money order to the revolutionary money service business, or made the online business hassle free. Number of active users 203 million. Worldwide rank in terms of traffic 73. Leads digital wallet with 79% usage. Global presence 203 markets, 26 currencies. PayPal ensures the safer, easier way to pay in India and around the world with the buyer protection, free shopping services, many more exciting features. Issue faced by PayPal with Java. Task performed separately for browser and server application. Deficiency in execution. Performance comparison. You can compare performance on online with Java and with Node.js. You can get a lot of information there. I'm not explaining that things. After evolution of Node.js, what changes has happened in PayPal? Improved the request handling mechanism compared with Java. Page response time has been improved to 200 milli per second. Website, you can check website www.paypal.com. Fourth one is none other than Netflix.com. Netflix, everyone know Netflix for watching movies and all, web series and all these things. So let's talk about Netflix. Netflix become an emerging video streaming platform with more than 75 million new customers that have been added in the first quarter of 2019. Market value 151 billion, more than Disney and Comcast. Online video revenue is in 2018 27.4 USD. Number of subscribers in the US 57.4 million. Netflix is in a second rank in the most popular video streaming services in the United States. Netflix is the best Node.js application example that depends on benefit by Node.js with implementation for production, which result in tremendous improvement in performance. Issue faced by Netflix with Java. Performance issue cumbersome when multiple requests popped up. You can go online and see the graph before using Node.js and after using Node.js. I'm not going to explain everything on graph, it will take a time. So let's talk about fifth one, that is Walmart with Node.js. Let's move forward. Walmart is multinational corporation which maintains the chain of supermarket and departments that maintain discount and grocery stores. Number of global sales 481.32 million USD. Number of Walmart sale per store 66.67 million USD. Number of item on sale on Walmart 6 million. Total number of stores 6306. Number of active users 270 million weekly users. Walmart is a pioneer in the online e-commerce business with satisfactory customer service. Walmart is also made with the Java before implementing Node.js. Updating multiple tasks simultaneously is not possible for developers, which ultimately take more time with Java. Need kind of module that update individually. Insufficiency in performance, no scalable approach. Convenience after evolution with Node.js. Improved performance, scalability can be achieved. Releasing time is decreased compared to the previous tech stack as creation of new API becomes so easy along with deploying work. Responsive time is being faster, so no more wait for customer. Handle traffic with ease. Refined profit margin with lesser risk. You can check website walmart.com, www.walmart.com. And sixth one is the Twitter with Node.js. Everyone know about Twitter. Twitter shares a medium to their customer where they can engage socially and post or interact with message known as tweets. 24% of male users are Twitter and 21% of female users are Twitter. 80% of Twitter is users on phone along with 93% videos views on phones. Number of monthly active users 326 million. Total number of tweets sent per day 500 million. Numbers of daily active users 100 million. Doesn't matter who you are, that is your business. Twitter is the best social media platform that can lead market wise your brand based on targeted audience. Enrich the day with your morning coffee. Announce data from a near or person who want to identify how Twitter can uplift your brand impression. So issue faced by Twitter on with ROR, website works slow, database is not optimized, no proper maintenance of cache, poor performance, convenience after the revolution with Node.js, great performance, manage data with database with optimized approach, page loading time reduced with compared to the previous version, improve reliability. Check the website www.twitter.com. Uber with Node.js. Uber is a rapidly seventh one is Uber with Node.js. Uber is rapidly growing customer-centric solution which provides peer-to-peer sharing, taxi, cab, food delivery, bicycle sharing, and transportation networking company with the operation in 70-85 metropolis across the globe. Uber is also using Node.js to improve their performance. So friend, in next example I'm not going to explain you everything in detail, just give you the other remaining application example. Let's see. 8.1 is the 8.1 is the 7th one is the Uber. 8.1 is the Medium with Node.js. Medium is, just give you the brief. Medium, our next topic of discussion in Medium. Medium is the most renewed publishing platform which takes help of Node.js due to its web server. You can check Medium website, www.medium.com. Ninth one is eBay. eBay is also e-commerce site. eBay with Node.js. eBay is a giant multinational e-commerce platform which provides facilities to consumers to consumers and business to consumers. eBay has to handle a large number of traffic each and every day, which repeatedly adopt the newest technology. And eBay also using Node.js to improve their performance, and now eBay is working very fast, friends. And 10th one is a Trello. Trello is a task management and a project management system that most of the company are using to manage their employee task and daily basis work. Is one of the 10th example that currently using Node.js to improve their performance. And next one is the Yahoo. Yahoo is also using Node.js to improve their performance. Yahoo is a big company, search engine just like Google, but Yahoo also using Node.js. Mozilla with Node.js. Yes, friend, Mozilla web browser also using the Node.js to improve their performance. Homemade with Node.js. Homemade is online agency which allow delivery the quality of services for renewed traditional state agency for a low flat fee. It's also using the Node.js. And 14 is GoDaddy. GoDaddy with Node.js. GoDaddy is a register as a traded domain register and web hosting company. Recently 2013 more than 6 million domains under management. It takes the world's largest registration. GoDaddy also using the Node.js to improve their performance and all these things. Last but not the least, npm node package. Air, and last one is the 15 one. Last one is the Airbnb with Node.js. Airbnb is known as for online marketplace and hospitality services that can be accessed by its website and mobile application. Also using the Node.js to improve their performance, manage the load of traffic, able to use similar code on both the client and server side. Wind up those. So friends, let's talk about wind up. We have discussed all 15 top application that uses by that currently using Node.js to improve their performance, and they are currently working very well. You can check with your own. Let's wind up. Node.js an emerging technology that provides lots of vital features that can that we can't deny, including garbage collection and process memory, event looping, Node.js ability to be CPU bound and use async operation, so CPU can be highly utilized and no wastage of waiting cycle for input output operation. Although Node.js is a synchronous non-blocking event driven approach which allow a developer to build lightweight real-time scenario application with ease of use, such as messaging apps, chat apps, and so on. Benefit behind using Node.js as a tech stack partner: large community support, able to solve open issue on GitHub, flexible, compatible with latest tools, two-way communication, non-blocking input output model, real-time data streaming, ease of use with coding, growth in productivity. So friends, here I'm going to finishing this wonderful topic. Hope you will like my video. If you like, please share with your friends and give them knowledge about Node.js, why they should learn Node.js for their better future. I hope you like. Please share, subscribe uh, with your friends. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching my video.